Wow, Jim, this crowd is going berserk!
And with good reason, Don. In a few short moments, this rink is going to erupt with hockey excitement, and I know I can't wait. San Jose dumps the puck in. Delayed penalty call coming up for San Jose. Shanahan jumps on the loose puck, fires it hard. Saved by Nabokov. Nolan is going off for tripping.
Jim, he'll be watching the play from the penalty box for only 2 minutes. Not too long, really.
San Jose is in for a tough few minutes.
They need to break out the big bad book of defense. Chapter 1, penalty killer.
Iserman. Rathje pushes him. Iserman saved by Nabokov.
He's making it very tough for them to cash in.
Graves fires hard. San Jose has a full complement of players on the ice now. Hannon grabs the puck. Graves, wrist shot. Grabbed by Detroit. Breakaway. Shanahan shoots the puck. Graves. Nolan cranks it. Blocked. Draper. Fisher takes possession of the puck. Stewart, he breaks away, shoots the puck from the left. Detroit gets it. Fedorov. Draper gets it. Robitaille, now with it. Sundstrom shoves him. Nabokov made the save. Harvey, Detroit needs to be making a line change soon. Sundstrom gets pushed. Joseph, great save. Fedorov gets the pass from Joseph. Robitaille now has the puck. With a wrist shot, Nabokov stones him cold. Sundstrom. Ragnarsson scoops up the loose puck.
Hit me.
Ragnarsson fired it hard. Blocked. Chelios grabs the puck. Hull. The Red Wings come in offside. Sturm. It's 2-on-1. Solani shoots, scores!
Up and away. It made the shooter's day.
San Jose goal.
Ricci.
Scored by number 8, Timu Solani, assisted by number 18, Mike Ricci.
Solani.
And by
Offside,
number
San
19,
Jose.
Marco Sturm.
Graves. Lidstrom gets hold of the puck. Iserman. Hull! Nabokov freezes the puck. Sturm. Dandino pushes him.
All he did was nudge the guy. What a farce.
San Jose wins the race and beats out the icing call. Joseph stoned him cold. Dandino. Datsuk. Dandino picks up the puck from Joseph. Datsuk. Fisher shoots it quickly. Nabokov. Close the door. Harvey gets the puck.
Last minute of play in the first.
It's 2-on-1. The door is shut by Joseph. Joseph stones him. Bradley shoots the puck.
The end of the first period brings us to a time I affectionately refer to as the first intermission. Right out of the EA Sports Studio and into your living room. It's NHL 2003. Welcome back to the game.
Lidstrom shoots the puck. Nolan. Thornton. Stewart gets the pass from Nabokov. Thornton. Damphus gets caught offside and play is stopped. Solani. Sturm taunted the defender with one hand on his stick.
Then to top it off, left him in his tracks.
Fedorov. Slager had the puck. Fires it! Misses! Marchment. Stern. Reaching. He scores!
Goalie goes one way, puck goes the other way, but any way you look at it, that was a beauty.
The coach will need to calm his guys down after that early goal.
Yeah, there's lots of time left and they're fine. For now.
Assisted by number 19,
Slager has his pocket pick.
And by number 8, Timu Solani.
Nolan jumps on the loose puck. Dumfus wipes out Fedorov. Ragnarsson gets in the way. Thornton. Nolan grabs the puck. He gobbles it up.
Through his legs and back onto his stick. Oh, look at Mr. Fancy Pants.
Devereaux. Devereaux gets shoved. Lidstrom grabs the puck. Chelios now has it. Hull blocked. Yzerman takes control of the puck. Marlowe. Jumped on by San Jose. Yzerman. Shanahan shoots it. He misses the net. Ricci now has the puck. Shoots from the left. Saved by Joseph.
He's a good shooter and a fine gentleman. But why won't he be my friend?
Rathje takes possession of the puck. Dendino whacks Marchment. San Jose puts its checking line out. Denied by Joseph. Bradley. Sundstrom fires. Larionov takes the puck. Dendino, wrist shot, missed the net. Sundstrom. Shanahan grabs the puck. Yzerman grabbed it. Detroit scoops it up. Hull. Chelios has it now.
In the second period.
San Jose. I prefer to see people win a game by skill and strategy.
I'm sorry, Jim. Are we keeping you from a chess tournament? And that punch just paid for a dentist trip to Aruba.
San Jose
Ricci gets the puck. Short pass.
Harvey, a 5-minute major for fighting.
Blocked.
I hope you haven't had your fill of hockey action, because we'll be serving up some more shortly.
For fighting. Are you in a band that's oozing?
Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the game. Jim sends his regards.
I'm right here, and I can talk for myself.
Just thought I'd also mention Jim seems a bit on edge, everybody.
Stop that.
Jim's now growing noticeably agitated, and uh-oh, he's heading in my direction. Okay, I'm done.
Dumfus turned away.
Cha-ching! Not this time, Ace.
Fisher with the puck. Robitaille. Fisher corrals it. Draper picks it up. Fisher now with it. Saved by Nabokov. Thornton jumps on the loose puck. Nolan grabs it. The Sharks dump it. Joseph makes the save. Hull. Marlowe takes control of the puck. Fired it! Joseph made the leg save.
Gloves, blocker, stick. Who needs them when you've got big pads like that?
Robitaille. Hull controls the puck. Blocked! Rathje with the puck. Sundstrom. He gets hammered. Shanahan jumps on the loose puck. Cranked him.
He was way too friendly on that hit, Jim, and it had better not happen again.
Shanahan checks Marlowe. Fleury with a wrist shot.
No need to hit the net every time, Jim.
Graves shoots the puck. San Jose takes possession. Stoned cold by Joseph.
This guy makes it look easy, but it's not. Trust me.
It's one-on-one. Shanahan grabs the puck. Datsuk now has it. Wrist shot. Door slammed shut by Nabokov. Nabokov freezes the puck. Dumfus. Ragnarsson has it. Dumfus has it now. Nolan blasts it from the right. Saved by Joseph.
This is your typical story of puck meets net. Not
Devereaux. Datsuk controls the puck. Devereaux jumps on it.
He's working on a, you know what, Jim, but I don't want to say it. But he's really close to a blank, and if he keeps this up, he'll nab the blank.
Oh, I'm sure the folks at home can fill in the blanks. San Jose puts its second line out. Nolan shoots! Saved by Joseph!
He stops pucks like it's his job.
Isn't it?
Good point.
Stoned by Joseph!
There's no question. Instincts count in this kind of game.
Sturm put the puck between his skates.
And skate
Scores! Top shelf!
Here's some advice for all you kids out there. Set the puck soaring, and you'll do some scoring. The one-timer, a thing of beauty. The two-timer, I'm not even going to go there.
Marlowe.
40, Mike Rathke, assisted by number 19.
Graves gets hold of the puck. The door is shut by Joseph.
The bigger the save, the harder they fall.
Fedorov shoots the puck. Saved by Nabokov. Graves. Fedorov takes possession of the puck. Robitaille corrals it. Hull took it.
Last minute of play.
Rathke has it now. Sturm. Solani fires it. San Jose corrals it. Ricci.
That was sweet, Jim. High five. Come on, don't leave me hanging. Yeah!
Lidstrom. Shanahan jumps on the loose puck. Hull now with it. Yzerman now has it. Yzerman scores!
He was hoping the goalie was in the basement, so he sent it upstairs.
Detroit goal.
Marlowe.
Scored by number 19.
Offside,
Steve
San
Yzerman,
Jose.
Assisted by number 17, Brett Hull.
Sundstrom, he gets pushed. Stewart gets hold of the puck. Harvey shoots, scores!
He went upstairs, and the ref didn't have to. It was a nice, clean goal.
San Jose goal.
Sundstrom.
Scored by number 13, Todd Harvey. Assisted by
McCarty
number
takes possession of the puck.
24,
Larionov
Sundstrom.
has it now.
By number 7, Brad Stewart.
Harvey gets a hold of it. Larionov. It's all over now. Detroit lose.
Again and again, Jim, these guys couldn't control a face-off. You know that's a big mistake, and the scoreboard points that out.
Star selection. Tonight's third star for San Jose, number 8, Teemu Selanne. Tonight's second star for San Jose, number 19.